Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Bloom's taxonomy lists 6 cognitive levels from remember to create. Begin lesson planning by defining one clear objective per lesson. Use specific verbs to match objectives to taxonomy levels, like define, compare, and create. Write objectives that are measurable and observable by students and teachers. Align assessments directly to those same objectives so grading measures the intended skills. Sequence activities from lower to higher levels during a lesson cycle. Sequence activities from remember to create within a lesson cycle for clarity. Begin with a quick review and a 5-minute warm-up to remember facts. Add guided practice for understanding and applying that lasts 15 to 20 minutes. Include analysis tasks with paired discussion or a 3 to 5-minute journal reflection. Finish with a create task that synthesizes learning, such as a project or presentation, and weight that task around 25% of the lesson grade. Align assessments to objectives and use rubrics with clear criteria and points. Design formative checks such as exit tickets or quick quizzes every lesson. Offer timely feedback within 48 hours to maintain learning momentum and retention. Use one precise suggestion per comment to guide improvement and avoid overwhelm. For summative assessment, choose a quiz or project that measures multiple taxonomy levels together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.